Hey travelers, today we're on our way to Kakabeka Falls, one of Ontario's hidden treasures. And I have to be honest with you, I did not know how amazing it was there. I thought it was just a waterfall. I thought that I would turn in, check out the waterfall, get back in my car and head on my way, but that is not what happened. It turns out the falls are part of a provincial park, which is a nature lover's paradise with a rich history, breathtaking waterfalls, and fantastic hiking and camping opportunities. You could seriously spend several days here and still not do everything that's available to you. But seeing is believing, so lace up your boots, grab your tents, and let's get started. To get the most out of your visit, make sure to take a stroll along the wheelchair-accessible Boardwalk trail. It's about a half a mile long, and it goes around both sides of the falls. The viewing platforms offer epic panoramic views and the perfect opportunity to capture stunning photos. Enough water goes over the falls every 10 seconds to fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Now that's a lot of water. You might ask yourself, why is the water so brown at Kakabeka Falls? That's because the origins of the waters where the rivers originate in the north are actually spruce bogs. And so like tea, the tannins leach into the water and turn the water dark. It's a very natural phenomena, and you'll find it all over lakes and rivers in northwestern Ontario. The boardwalk crosses over the bridge and onto the other side of the park where the campgrounds and hiking trails are located. Here's a quick look at the river north of the falls from the bridge. The park is home to many different types of wildlife, including bald eagles, black bears, and various bird species. The name Kakabeka comes from an Ojibwe word that means waterfall over a cliff, and the falls are famous for their thunderous roar as the water cascades over the rock formations and the clouds of mist that will blow you away. As you gaze out, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the gorge, which have been carved out by water erosion resulting from the Ice Age. The rock face of the falls and the escarpments along the gorge are mostly unstable shale, and they are still eroding. The gorge contains some of the oldest fossils in existence, including some 1.5 billion years old from the Precambrian era. And if you're more adventurous, don't miss the Mountain Portage Trail. It is the original route that residents, settlers, and voyageurs took when they portaged around the falls. Kakabeka Falls Provincial Park is not just about the falls. It's a living, breathing, natural wonder. It's a place where people can connect with the wild, learn about the local ecosystem, and create memories that will last a lifetime. If you love to hike, this is the place for you. There is over 18 kilometers or 11 miles of hiking on 6 separate trails. The park has 3 campgrounds with 274 campsites. There is also a park store and a visitor center. There's even 2 beaches, one for humans and one for dogs, a dog park, and 2 playgrounds. Whispering Hills has electrical hookups with some pull-through sites, and almost every single site in that campground has electricity. Located closer to the river and falls, Riverside and Ferns Edge campgrounds offer non-electrical campsites with some pull-through sites. Each campsite is nestled in a picturesque canopy of trees for privacy, which create the perfect tranquil backdrop for a nature camping experience. And the park also offers group camping areas where you can gather with friends or family, share stories under the stars, and create lasting memories. It's an excellent choice for larger gatherings. It is often referred to as the Niagara of the North because the only other waterfall that is taller than Kakabeka Falls is Niagara Falls at 51 meters, or approximately 150 feet. Now, if you want to know more about Niagara Falls, I'll leave a link to that video in the description and up here. Kakabeka Falls is truly a gem in northwestern Ontario, offering thrilling hikes, beautiful nature, and serene campgrounds. It's a natural paradise, a hiker's dream, and a camper's haven. Our adventures continue. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a family looking for a weekend getaway, I invite you to join me for another video. And here are a couple of suggestions.